Overall, we wish we would have had more time here. It's been pretty beautiful and very enjoyable. This morning we ran out of propane, and all we had to do was text them, and they came and picked up our propane tanks, filled them for us, and brought them back.
Really enjoyed the park. It's quiet, nestled in trees, has river access, and you can go to the river, walk down there through a trail. The general store is pretty big. It wasn't overly priced.
And there's quite a bit in the general store. RV repair stuff, drinks, ice cream, shirts, a lot of souvenirs.
We'd definitely come back here again. Another thing about this area, like the Leavenworth and the KOA here, it's super pet friendly. Like, they have a dog washing station. You see everyone with their dogs. A lot of the stores in Leavenworth, they allow dogs to come in. It's pretty crazy how pet friendly they are in this little town. Hi guys, we spent 2 nights in Leavenworth, Washington at the KOA there, and it was amazing. They had we had a pull through with a patio, and the campsites were amazing. They did have a little bit of construction, was kind of loud, and then as well they had the Wi-Fi signal was a little bit wonky at times, but overall the sites are beautiful.
I liked it overall. It was cool. Cool experience. We went to a little town, spent some time there. Yeah, and the campground, it was phenomenal. We ran out of propane while we were there. All I had to do was text them,
and they filled it up.
Came,
yeah,
just picked up the propane bottles, filled it up, brought it back to us, charged the card on file, and that was it. And they normally fill up propane after 1. But we were trying to take showers that morning, and we were ran out of propane in the process. So we just texted them, and they came and did it right away. They were more than friendly. They pick up your trash. We didn't even know where the trash can was, because all they said was stick it out, put it out there, and they'll come pick it up. And they did. They were always driving around. The place is super clean. I highly recommend it.